Grace, how's it going? Great. I just turned up the TV. This is the kind of random that goes on in our front room. Hey guys, I wanted to film a quick little intro for this apartment tour. This has come a lot sooner than I expected. I didn't really plan on filming this quickly, but as it happens, me and Chelsea are no longer going to be living here. I think we may be getting out within the next like 2 weeks, even less than that. And this place is really unique and cool. It used to be a recording studio, so it's been converted into apartment. So I really wanted to share it because it's really special, and I probably won't ever obviously live in a place like this again. And also I don't think I'm going to be living in London anymore either. So yeah, I really wanted to do a little video for myself and for you guys to keep as well. It basically used to be Pink Floyd's recording studio, and we're like the second people to actually live in this place as like a house. We actually didn't know that when we moved in. We only found out through our landlady not so long ago. So yeah, that was some cool little history that we found out. But yeah, so if you want to stay tuned to see around and see where we've been living for like the past 4 or 5 months, I think 5 months or something, then stay tuned. Let's go, let's get into it. So this is the view when you walk in. These windows right here at the front are like double glazed, they're soundproof. And then we've just got a sofa over there, which was actually left here by our landlady. You've got this pillow is from Next. I got it, I think, last year for Chelsea's birthday. And the other pillows and the throw was also left here from before. Kind of reminds me of Hollister a little bit. When you walk in, it's like really dark and urban-y. This sofa is actually ours. We bought it from our previous place. We got it from Argos. A lot of people ask about it because it is really, really comfy. So it pulls down into a sofa bed, and then actually all of the cushions on this one are all of ours as well. And the table in front was also left here. So was the rug on the floor. We got this hippo plant pot from like a little Christmas fete last year. They do it every year. It's in South London. We have a little greenery. I got this plant from IKEA recently, and then we've just got a candle. So you may remember this shelving unit from our previous place if you've seen my other apartment tour. We've just got like a bunch of different stuff on here to make it look pretty. Some books, and then Chelsea's got her drink and stuff like that at the bottom. Kind of like scared to touch anything in case anything moves out of place on this. Swinging round onto the opposite side of the wall, when you walk in, we've got this like other shelving unit. We actually built this ourselves one of the first days we moved in. So we've just kind of filled it with like magazines and kind of like paperwork and stuff in boxes, and then we've put our shoes at the bottom, our most favourite heels. We've got our TV on a stand, which again was left here already. And then our Christmas tree. Chelsea's got her desk unit. She's got like printer and boring kind of work stuff that needs to be done. Bills, etc. Coming up to the front end where the kitchen area is, we've just got like a nice dining table and chairs, which again was left here. We've been super lucky. And then we've just got like our fruit and bits and bobs on the top. So now for the plaque on the wall. This is such a unique piece. It's all of the artists that have like recorded here. So I think one of the main ones was Pink Floyd. I think this was their actual like recording studio for a little while when they was in London. And then the likes of like Westlife and Lamar, a whole bunch of different people, as you can see. So I wish I could kind of take this everywhere with me just because I love it. It looks so artsy and it really goes with like the whole vibe of this place. Swinging round, we've got our kitchen area, which is nothing too spectacular. A lot of snacks, as you can see. And then on the top, we've got cereal. One of the things that I do love about this place though is the lights on the ceiling. Everything is just so cool looking. And the ones above the table as well. So yeah, this is like an overview shot from the kitchen end. So walking through here, this is now my bedroom. So one of the main things for me is this double set of drawers. I built them myself. I got them from IKEA. They were £40 each, so a real good bargain, but they took me a long time to build. And then I've just filled it with like clothes and bits and bobs, but then on the top I've got flowers and just bits and bobs again. Yeah, pretty stuff. This picture on the wall is actually a birthday card from my brother, but I just really liked it, so I put some blue tack on it and stuck it to my wall. This is my Diva ring light, and I decided to put my bridesmaid gown on it because I just thought it looked really cute. Kind of looks like a mannequin. And then my mirror, which you may have seen from my previous tour. Just put my bags and some hats on it. In the corner I've just got like makeup and some hair accessories in this little basket which I got from H&M Home. This chair here is one of my favourite things still, and it's from Maison du Monde. It's where I sit and do like my makeup and stuff. Got some shoes. These bedside tables were also left here as well. So I've just put some other stuff on there. And my bedding is from H&M. And the throw, I believe, is from actually Sainsbury's. This pillow is like one of the best pillows ever. It's so fluffy and it's from Oliver Bonus. My other one is from Society 6. I have a bit of an obsession with like pink neon lights just because they reflect on everything and it makes it look really, really nice at night time. So that's kind of everything like roomy wise. And then I've got my wardrobes here, which are quite big, which is nice because I can store a lot of stuff in there. I also have these drawers, which have just got like underwear and socks in. And then on the top, I've got my grid, which I can stick like different party event photos and stuff on. Just little bits and bobs that I like to collect along the way. This door is like a scaffold board door. And then I've just hung some coats on the top, which is really useful because we have so many and nowhere to put them. So when you walk through, it's just, yeah, it's really cute. Got a shower here to the right. And then one of my absolute favorite things about this is the fact that you can just touch that and then the light comes on. And yeah, it's cute. And that's about it really for my bedroom. And yeah, I really like it. Probably my favourite place that I've lived in so far.